Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache TomEE 9.0 from its source code using Jenkins 2.375 and Maven 3.8.7 without using any source code repository. That is, we are going to build the source code in local directory. Okay, this is the source code of Apache TomEE 9.0 which I have downloaded from TomEE website. So I have provided the download link. So before I proceed to build, let me show the global tool configuration in Jenkins. So this is my JDK installations. I am using JDK 11 and JDK 17, which is already integrated to Jenkins tool. Next, this is my Maven installation, which is already integrated to Jenkins. So I am using Maven 3.8.7. So this is my Maven installation in my computer. Let me show my Maven settings.xml. So Maven settings.xml is pointing to the local Maven repository where all the jars and artifacts will be downloaded there. And this is my Maven local repository. So make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the jar files, pom and artifacts to compile the TomEE 9.0 source code. Okay. Now let us back to the dashboard in Jenkins. I'm going to create a new project, new item. So I'm giving some name to the project. So this will be the Maven project. Apache TomEE 9.0. Okay, this will be the Maven project. Click OK button. Now let us configure the Maven project now. So I'm using JDK 11. Source code management, I am selecting none because I am going to build the source code in the local directory. I am not going to use any source code repository. Build, under build, pom.xml should be there. And this is the goals and options for TomEE 9.0 Maven build. So this is a lengthy goal and option. So I have mentioned in the description of this video also. Apply, save it. That's it. That's it. Now come to the project. Just click build now. So I am building this empty project because it will create one directory under workspace folder. So you can see one directory is created. So I am going to extract this Apache TomEE 9.0 source code zip file to this newly created directory under workspace by Jenkins. Let me extract the code. Okay, let me go to the workspace directory Apache TomEE 9. Okay. So this is the final directory structure after extracting the code, and here you can see pom.xml, that is root pom must be there. So each and every module contains root pom. I am commenting one of the modules because this module will not work. So I am commenting this module in Arquelian directory. So note down this module. This module will not compile. Okay. So I am commenting before itself. So this is the final directory structure. Make sure that pom.xml, that is root.pom.xml. Now once again I click the build now in Jenkins. So now what it will happen? It will automatically pick up the root pom or parent pom.xml, and also can see that build is successful. after building successful, you can browse the Maven modules, that is pom.xml modules. So these are the modules available in pom.xml in each submodules. So you can browse it and check the output. So now let me go to workspace for the output. So under TomEE folder, under Apache TomEE target, yes, under TomEE directory, Apache TomEE target. So you can see the Apache TomEE tar.gzip file, zip file, Apache TomEE Plume, TomEE Plus. So all these flavors are built in both tar.gzip file format and zip file format. That is for both for Linux and Windows environment. These archive files are get built. So finally, we have built Apache TomEE 9.0 in Jenkins without using any source code repository.